Gosavi is seen holding a phone on speaker mode and making Aryan speak to someone. After the bombshell, NCB has now reacted strongly. NCB Samir Wankhede spoke to India Today, calling the allegations and deplorable. In fact, he calls it deplorable, also saying that he will give a fitting reply. Remember, Aryan in jail since October 8th, and his bail plea will be heard by the Mumbai High Court on October 26th.
ने पंचनामे पे साइन किया।
पंचनामे पे मैं साइन करते वक्त है ना, वहाँ पर सालेकर करके एक ऑफिसर थे एनसीबी के। सालेकर तो उन्होंने मुझे पेपर्स दिया, बोलते इसमें साइन कर। मतलब सर ब्लैंक है ये पूरा। अच्छा। वहाँ से वानखेड़े साहब आ गए।
वानखेड़े मतलब समीर वानखेड़े।
समीर वानखेड़े, हाँ। उन्होंने मुझे बोला अरे साइन कर रहे काय ना होत, मतलब सर ब्लैंक है। तो सालेकर साहब बोले अरे कर काय ना होत करूँ।
एक मिनट, आप ये बात कह रहे हैं कि आपने एज अ पंच जो साइन किया था वहाँ पर, आपने ब्लैंक पेपर पर साइन किया था।
हाँ। कम से कम 9 से 10 पेपर पे मैंने साइन किया था। ब्लैंक सब ब्लैंक थे। वहाँ
पे कुछ लिखा नहीं था कि क्या माल बरामद किया गया है, कुछ
भी नहीं लिखा था।
यही है केपी गोसावी आपके साथ में, वो आर्यन खान को किसी के बात करवा रहे हैं, शायद स्पीकर पे फोन है, किसके साथ बात कर रहे थे, सुन पाया?
नहीं।
क्या बातचीत, अंदाजा है कुछ क्या बात हो रही थी?
कुछ भी नहीं। क्या आइडिया लगा सकता है? यहाँ से अगर मैं 10 फीट के दूरी से मैं अगर वीडियो निकल रहा हूँ और वो धीरे से अगर बात करें तो कैसे समझ में आएगा? ठीक है।
उसके बाद रात को आर्यन खान की तरफ से आप निकल गए, उसके बाद में क्या हुआ, उसके बारे में क्या जानकारी है आपको, संक्षेप में बताया।
उसके बाद मैंने वहाँ से हम लोग निकल गए, मैं नीचे निकल गया। फिर अराउंड 2:30 से 2:45 के बीच में एनसीबी ऑफिस के मतलब 500 के करीब एक लेफ्ट टर्न है, वहाँ पर एक आदमी आया मिलने के लिए, किरण गोसावी को। उनका नाम सैम करके था। वो दोनों ने कुछ मीटिंग।
सैम नाम था? कौन है सैम, आप जानते हैं इनको?
नहीं, उनको मैंने पहली बार देखा था। वो अपनी
पूरा नाम पता है? पूरा नाम पता है सैम का?
सैम का पूरा नाम तो नहीं पता है मेरे को।
सिर्फ सैम। हाँ। ठीक है। कौन थे ये सैम?
वो सर एक्चुअली उनके दोस्त रहेंगे।
अच्छा, केपी गोसावी के। हाँ। इनकी मुलाकात हुई एनसीबी ऑफिस के?
आधे घंटे में 2 मुलाकात होगी।
All right, let me quickly cut across to Kamlesh Sutar joining us live for more on that. He's reporting live from Mumbai. Kamlesh, if you can give us some perspective into exactly what are the allegations made against Samir Wankhede. Some serious extortion charges made against him as well as some members of the NCB team. Do take us through precisely what has happened. How has NCB reacted to these allegations as well?
Well, there are two parts to the entire episode, Nabila. One is the punch or the witness made to sign on blank papers. That is one part where he says he had no idea about what seizure was made, and even the panchnama was not made on the spot but in the office of Samir Wankhede. That is one part. Secondly, he has made some serious allegations. He says we heard the interview till the point where KP Gosavi and this person in question whom we have interviewed, Prabhakar Sahil, they met a person called Sam and they drove together to Lower Parel. Now he alleges that a car, a blue color Mercedes, followed their car and they met at Lower Parel near a mall. He saw a person, what Prabhakar Sahil says, he saw a person called Pooja Dadlani who was sitting in the car and he heard communication between Sam, the person here. Now we don't know who this Sam is that Prabhakar Sahil is mentioning to, but Sam and this person, KP Gosavi, were talking to each other about money. He said that you drop a bomb of 25 crores and if he doesn't agree then settle it on 18 crore rupees, out of which 8 crore will go to Mr. Wankhede and the rest will be distributed amongst ourselves. That is what his allegation is. That is what he says he has heard when he was sitting in the car. Now these are serious allegations. He is a punch. Remember, what makes his statement important is because he is one of the witnesses. NCP's reaction, what we have come, though officially they haven't come on record, they say that they will be giving a fitting reply and coming up with a press release, but NCB says that this is very deplorable and he will be soon declared as a hostile witness. Now that action will be taken from the NCB's part, but there are more questions that this episode has raised than the answers. Now NCB will have to reply to this question. We'll have to wait what Samir Wankhede has to say about these allegations, whether KP Gosavi was trying to extort money and was trying to use Samir Wankhede's name just to extort money, or was trying to manipulate the situation for his monetary benefit. These are things that needs to be probed, and we've seen politics around it. Sanjay Raut has called called Mumbai police. He had said, tweeting, he said that the Mumbai police should take suo moto cognizance of the entire episode and Chief Minister should order an inquiry. Nawab Malik, who has been following up this matter, he has also said that this is the victory of truth. there are several other things that are taking place, there are several updates that we have witnessed since morning, but two important portions mentioned by this person, Prabhakar Sahil. One is about he being made the Punch witness and made to sign on blank papers, that's one. And the second part is about the allegations about Pooja Dadlani, Shah Rukh Khan's manager, meeting KP Gosavi and this person called Sam and discussing whether there could be, there is an exchange of, possible exchange of money. That is what his allegation is.
Kamlesh, thank you very much for joining us with those details.